In this video, I will show you how to flash the HackRF with the latest firmware available. Now, before we flash anything, you need to ensure you got the latest HackRF binaries installed. I will be walking through the process on a MacBook using Homebrew. But if you are using Windows or Linux, don't worry. Just check out the GitHub link in the description below. We need to switch to HackRF mode via the GUI in the PortaPack. Let's grab the latest firmware on GitHub, and there is also two additional archives, one with the world map and one without it. You could notice the size difference. It will depend if you fancy having aircraft and boat position located on a nice map or not. And keep in mind, both of these archives need to be extracted on a macro SD card formatted in FAT32. Once you have downloaded the firmware and extracted into a folder, you could browse to that one and use the HackRF_sp flash to specify the latest version and hit enter. After you flash the HackRF, you could restart the device, and the first thing that happens to me, the screen was dark. I thought I broke the device, but basically you need to select the driver for your screen, and this could be done by pressing the scrolling button and the left or right button while turning it on. You could see the difference right now. I really hope this video helped you if you are getting started with the HackRF. Stay tuned and see you next time.